The iPhone 14 Pro is a phenomenal phone, but also shows flagships are leveling off for now. Let me explain. The biggest upgrade is the cameras, with a 48 megapixel main that's got a 65% larger sensor to improve an already top-notch camera system. But moving down the list of headlining features, we get to the Dynamic Island, a software integration of the double cutout in the screen that yes is smooth, yes is slick, but also doesn't use any new technology and is a workaround of current front-facing tech having to interrupt the screen. And while the surrounding screens are incredible and the brightest yet, what really does the heavy lifting to make them feel smoother than smooth is tech carried over from older models like the 120Hz refresh rate, OLED technology, or a powerful chip, as the new A16 here brings only increased performance overhead. So this kind of stagnation of innovation in Apple's best phone ever tells me flagships of this form factor are leveling off. But let's not forget there's exciting stuff out there like Samsung's folding and flipping phones to keep us excited for what's next.